Biological science, living world, living and non-living things, characteristics of living organisms, different types of habit and adaptations, skeletal parts, bones, joints, cartilage, muscles, movements in animals, cell, the basic unit of life, types of cells, cell structure and function, cell division, animal tissues, plant tissues, introduction to microorganisms, useful microorganisms, harmful microorganism, food preservation, agriculture practices, improvement in crop yields, storage of food from animals, animal husbandry, life processes, our food, components of food, balanced diet, malnutrition, deficiency, diseases, plants, types, plant parts, functions, types of nutrition, nutrition in plants, autotrophic, parasitic, saprobiotic, insectivorous, nutrition in animals, different ways of taking food, digestion in humans, digestion in grass-eating animals, feeding and digestion in amoeba, cellular respiration, types of respiration, respiration in plants, respiration in animals, respiration versus combustion, photosynthesis versus respiration, circulatory system, human circulatory system, evolution of the transport system in animals, transportation in plants, excretion in human beings, excretion in other organisms, excretion and release of substances in plants, excretion versus secretion, coordinations in animals, nervous and endocrine systems, control mechanism in plants, plant hormones, tropic and nastic movements, modes of reproduction, sexual, asexual and vegetative sexual reproduction in plants, seed dispersal, sexual and asexual reproduction in animals, metamorphosis, reproduction in a placental mammal, man, reproductive health, birth control methods, fighting against social ills, adolescence and puberty, changes, role of hormones, reproductive pace, variations, medals, experiments on inheritance, sex determination in human beings, evolution, Lamarckism, Darwinism, evidence of evolution, human evolution, our environment, food chain, food web, ecological pyramids, effect of human activities on ecosystems, steps towards prevention, national resources, renewable and non-renewable resources, conservation, biodiversity, forests, flora, fauna, interrelation of organisms, advantages of forests, deforestation, effects, conservation of forest and wildlife, protecting areas, endangered and endemic species, air and water pollution, causes, effects and prevention, water sewage, treatment of polluted water, better housekeeping practices, sanitation and diseases, alternative arrangements for sewage disposal, global environmental issues, greenhouse effect, global warming, acid rains, nitrogen cycle. Methodology, 3 marks. Definition, nature, structure and history of biology science. Aims, values, instructional objects of teaching science and academic standards in science. Methods of teaching science, teaching learning material in teaching of science, TLM in science, used of ICT, instructional planning, science laboratory, science teacher, changing roles, science curriculum and its transaction, NCF 2005, SCF 2011, Science textbooks, Evolution, CCE, Formative Assessments, Summative Assessment, Designing and Administration, Analysis of Socialist, Schoolist Achievements Test, SAT. Free education. Don't forget to like and subscribe.